Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Bangor Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Bangor Payroll Login. Then you can see Bangor Payroll Employee Portal. Click on it or just go to bangor.evolutionpayroll.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Bangor Payroll. There, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Bangor Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to I forgot my password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.